Recently, a very good friend of mine sent me a very nice, innovative clip of a picture of a fishmonger on a scooter shouting fish, fish, and then bystander calling him and asking how much. Is it 500 grams for this amount of money? And then he said, I'm not selling fish. He said, you can invest. You can invest on your good health. And that's absolutely true. That statement of that man, you can invest in your good health buying 500 grams of fish, is a very innovative idea. Sometimes we wonder what we invest on. I remember with a like-minded group of very close friends of mine, I pioneered the very first time in Sri Lanka, creating access to private equity for investing in equity in micro, small and medium level social entrepreneurs in diversity of different kinds of ideas, enterprises. But ladies and gentlemen, you have to check what you are investing on. Are you investing on your health? Are you investing in your knowledge? Are you investing on your peace of mind? Are you investing in harmony? Are you investing in social equality? Are you investing in social justice? Are you investing in fairness and fair play? These are the things that we need to look at. These days, many people are investing in shares and share market and trying to find out how we can get a very big return on our investment since the bank interest rates are coming down. That is in our minds. Ladies and gentlemen, it is time for us to find out what we are really investing in. Are you investing on something and losing your good health? Are you investing on something, losing the opportunity to have knowledge? Are you investing on something and thereby not enshrining the social justice and inequality, equality? Are you investing on something and not ensuring fairness to many people in more places? That's something which we need to ponder. What are you investing on? What's the decision of your investment? What's the criteria of investment? What's the return you expect? For me, my investment has to be, firstly, the peace of mind and the harmony with myself and the feeling, the contentment to myself. And that's why I come and spend so much of time from 5:30 till about 8:30 here. The time is no issue for me, but I can invest in that. Invest in the contentment of life, the peace of mind, the joy, the goodness, and the good health, the knowledge, and so many things like that we can invest. The harmony that we need in this world. Are you contributing to creating greater harmony? Are you investing your resources on that? That is something which we need to ponder the way we invest. Ladies and gentlemen, time has come for you to look at long-term investment, not short-term. Invest long-term, that is, if you are investing in peace of mind, if you are investing on good health, if you are investing on your knowledge, if you are investing in fairness and justice, you are investing on long-term returns. And that return will enrich not only you, many others around you all the time.